Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we are looking at this TDS meter. It is a very commonly used device where you need to check the total dissolved solids in water. So usually this is used by people who install aquaguard or some kind of water purifier at their homes. So the first thing this does is it will tell you the reading for the total dissolved salts in the water. So you can check this on different sources of water like tap water or the one that comes from the aquaguard, or even your mineral water like Bisleri, or the water cans that you order at your house from the local grocery store. So on the left you can see I have the local bought can, which is the 20 liters can from my grocery store. That is priced at 40 rupees for one can. And on the right side I have tap water, which is actually borewell water, which is pumped into the tank and then it comes through my tap. So firstly, let me just open this. This is a TDS meter. I think it's made in China, and I bought it for a price of 242 rupees on Amazon. So this is how it looks. This is the case it comes in. You can just pull it out. It looks like a very old piece of technology because of the color and plastic used. So it says over here TDS meter hold with hold function. So when you immerse this in the water and remove it, the reading will change. So you need to press the hold button and get the reading. On the back there's nothing printed or no information. So let's just test this quickly. So the cap just comes off like this, and over here you can see two electrodes. One will be positive, one will be negative or ground, and what it does is it will pass a current through one of the electrodes and it will receive it from the other one. The microchip inside will calculate the number of the current that is there and the resistance that is there in the water. So let's just check. First thing, I will check the water which I get from my grocery store. So you switch it on like this. You can see it's all zero right now. You just put it in for like 30 seconds. As you can already see, the reading over here is 27. Now it's 28. This has been the constant reading on this source of water. It's always 28 or 27 whenever I've bought this water. And so you press the hold button so the reading doesn't change. Just shake off the water and you can see here it's 28. When you press the hold button again, it will disappear. Now let's test the tap water, which is actually the borewell water. As you can see here, it is 796. You can leave it for 30 seconds. Actually, it's very quick. Within 2 or 3 seconds, it will give you the reading. So press the hold button, and here you can see 794 is the reading, which is unsafe for drinking. Anything above 300 reading is unsafe for drinking. It's actually, the reading is ppm. I don't know what exactly that stands for, but anything above 300 reading on the TDS meter is unsafe for drinking. You need to either boil the water and use an RO filter. So here you can see again the reading has changed. It's become 800. That's because the salts were not dissolved correctly. Now it's again 794, as you can see. So that's the use for this meter. That's about it, guys. This is the TDS reader or TDS meter which I bought from Amazon. The link for the purchase link is in the description below if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching, and that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.